Hey, what's going on? It's your guy Rocky from Rockside RC, and you guys with another video today. We're going to be working on the Vanqish H10 Optic today. So, I don't know about you guys, but I'm a little tired of trying to get these doors off. You know, don't get me wrong. I mean, it's not that bad, but up here in New York, it's very cold. And especially during the wintertime, it's hard to get these clips in and out. Look how small these clips are. You got to try to get these out while you're on the trails or on the rocks, whatever it is. And, you know, when it's like 30 degrees out, it is so hard to get these little clips out, guys. I'm gonna try to fix that. We got some parts from DSM Off-Road. Thanks to those guys, we greatly appreciate it. So they made these quick release battery holders. We're gonna try them out. We're gonna see how the quality is. So I'm gonna do a little quick how-to, how to put the little battery holders on. Stay tuned, guys. I am going to keep all of the original parts just in case if I have a problem with these parts, of course. Just in case. I'd rather be safe than sorry, of course. All right. You know, these aren't bad. It's not a bad, you know, it wasn't a bad mechanism, but if I can try to make it a little bit easier for myself on the trails, on the rocks, I would rather do it that way if possible. So, all right, we have these 4 screws on the outer panel that we have to take off. Looks like 1.5. Yep. Let's take those off. So the reason why I'm saving the original parts is just because of the fact that my buddy actually literally texted me the other day, and we were talking about actually his base camp, and he's like, Rock, you know what, I think I'm gonna buy that DSM off-road battery cup basically for my base camp. It relocates the battery holder to the front of the truck. You know, he's got the Axio Coyote, and you know, obviously he got the idea from that, and he's like, listen, you know what, I think that's a really good idea. Let's put the battery obviously in front of the transmission. Once he got the product, he wasn't too happy with it, you know, so he's like, Rock, I don't think I'm going to use it. We'll see how it works for me today. You know, hopefully it'll be beneficial for me, and hopefully it'll be beneficial for you guys. And if you guys have already used this part, hit me down in the comments. Let me know how it worked for you guys. So in the bag, they obviously give us these 2 battery holders. Get your DSM off-road stickers. Looks like they give us a clip to hold the battery holder in, and they actually give us 2 extras or 2 spares. That's a great thing that they give us spares, but it kind of, in my mind, it's like, well, why are they giving you spares? You know, or do they know that they're gonna break? You know, and that's why they gave us spares. I guess we'll be finding out, right? So, all right, guys, let's put the new battery cup together and see how this thing works. And obviously just put the straps on the same way that they had them. So obviously you can still reuse the straps. Okay, I'm just gonna barely put like a few threads in just to catch the plastic. Just wanna make sure everything lines up nicely, of course. Like this. This seems like it's off a little bit. All right, I just caught that one, that's not bad. All right, this one looks like it's lined up pretty well. Just so I tighten everything evenly, I'm kind of like going like a cross pattern. All right, guys, this is the first one. It's all done. It's ready to go now. So you got the clip installed. Make sure you install the clip first before you put the panel on. All right. And it's pretty easy, you know, not bad. I'll show you guys when I do the next one. So let's see how it fits. Stick this in here now. Guys, I like it. I like it. Thanks to DSM Off-Road guys, they actually made this a lot better. Now I can literally just pop batteries in and out with no problems, guys. All right, guys, so let's do the other side. Take the old panel off and install the new battery cup. Very nice. Like I said, I am gonna keep the original stuff just in case if anything ever breaks or whatever the case be is, I can always just put the original stuff back in. I'm a stickler like that, you know. So like I was mentioning earlier, before you install this onto the panel, right, make sure you install this little clip first. So make sure that the clip literally goes in it literally just goes in like this. So you got this hole here. See how it kind of has like an offset here? That offset is supposed to be upwards. So if I face the plate, or if I face the battery cup like this, where the opening of course is facing upwards, the offset should be facing upwards also. So you just want to put just make sure it obviously goes in the hole correctly. Just make sure it goes in the hole, as you can see here. And then literally just, it slides right in. All right, so that's out. That's in, and you're good to go, guys. All right, and just remember that this piece flexes back and forth so it can actually latch on to the cage. All right, so that's why they have this little indentation right here, because it actually locks on to this part of the cage. Pardon me, guys. So it literally locks onto this part of the cage. So watch, I'll even show it to you without the skins on it. All right, so obviously it goes like that, and then you just need to push it in just a little bit, and see, there you go. It locks right onto the cage, guys. All right, just to give you guys a visual on how it actually looks without the panel. All right, and same thing when you want to take the battery holder or battery cup out. So you apply a little pressure and it pops right out, guys. All right, guys, I'm just finishing up this last panel here. Again, when I tighten things up, I usually go in a cross pattern. So from here to here, from here to here, just so at least it tightens evenly all the way, all the way around, basically, All right, good to go. All right, guys, just to show you guys the final or finished product. There you go, very nice. Oh, pardon me, let me show you guys. All right, so like I said, just to put the panel, put this on. Same way you would usually put your battery in, right? And then, again, like I said, just make sure you push this, and there you go. It locks right in. Good to go, guys. Good to go. So now I don't have to sit here and struggle with the pins and the clips and all this other stuff, whatever, while I'm on the trails, right, guys? So put these, like I said, aside. I'll put them back in the bag, and I'll save everything. You never know. Like I said, if I ever have a problem with anything, at least I have the original parts, and I'm good to go. So I figured I'd show you guys a different option that would obviously help us with the H10 Optic, getting the batteries in and out. I know it's, like I said, for me, it's a pain in the butt. Especially when the weather's getting colder and stuff like that. It's hard, guys. It's hard getting these little clips out. I'm over here trying to get it out with like a screwdriver or, anything else that I can literally just pop them out. And even then, when you pop them out, you're like, all right, did it just fall in the dirt? you know, and if you're on the rocks, did it just fall on the rocks or whatever the case be is, it's a pain in the neck. So I'm glad that DSM Off-Road came up with a really nice solution for us. And you should definitely check those guys out, DSM Off-Road. All their parts, well, most of their parts are available on A-Main Hobbies. You can check them out on A-Main Hobbies, and I believe DSM Off-Road even has their own website. So I would check them out, you know, see what they have. It may help you guys out. You know, it definitely helped me out today. So, all right, it's your guy Rocky from Rockside RC. Greatly appreciate everybody watching and commenting and subscribing, of course. Greatly appreciated. All right, it's 2026, guys. Let's keep pushing, all right? Stay tuned to your boy Rock. It's the end of the video, guys. Hopefully everybody enjoys your day, your family, your friends, and whatever RC car you guys have. All right? Rockside out.